Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, thank you for coming and watching. I really appreciate it. If you could hit that big red subscribe button underneath this video, it would be amazing and I'd really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel. So if you don't know me, my name is Bree. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 boys. I used to work. I worked a lot. And then I got very, very sick from a very rare genetic disease that I have, and I was unable to continue to work. So I hope this video gives you guys some cleaning motivation. This is just kind of how I make sure my house stays clean or just tidied up, I would say, because some days, I just don't have the energy to really deep clean my house, and that's okay. And for me, I've had to learn that it's okay for me not to always get to my floors or to always mop my floors or, to always get to on top of my dishes all day long. And so that's all I'm going to say. I'm really bad at talking and public speaking, so I'm working on it. Thank you so much. Also, I got a new mic, so we shouldn't have these mic issues like we did in the last video. So let's get some music going and get this cleaning motivation started.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy, it's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish, you get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you, I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah, I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah, I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories, cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me, I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly, oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that done to make you notice me? Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
If you guys have been around a while, you know how much I hate duvet covers. Whoever invented them, I hate you. Just kidding. I just hate doing them. I'm so bad at it. I've tried every single tip, can't speak today, and tricks, and they are a pain in the butt, but my husband loves it, so we're gonna get this duvet cover on. And yes, I dance funny. I love dancing. The kids and I love dancing around and having dance parties, just being dorks about it. So, love it or hate it, I don't care.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
So I got a new toy. I got the Shark Genesis steam mop, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's actually helped me be able to keep up on my floors because I don't really have to do much scrubbing or, I love my O-Cedar mop, spin mop, but it's, I have to scrub. I have to, go back and forth with the bucket and stuff. So it's actually been a lot easier for me and the issues I have with my body and my disease for me to just throw some water in and just push it across my floor and it gets it really clean. But sometimes, like you can see here, it's a terrible clip and I'm sorry, but I'll take some like all-purpose spray and I'll spray on like some really bad parts of my floor if I haven't gotten to my floors in a couple of days. And that's what I'm doing here. And then it just comes right off with the steam mop. So if you have it in your budget, I highly recommend them. I think I only paid like $70 for it on Amazon. I'll link it down below.
It still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold.